Hi guys, I made this little glass jar arrangement for like a month now, and it actually is surviving. It got a little leggy, this little echeveria here, but it has roots in there and it's surviving. It just needed more light, I guess. And here's some morus tail in there, and then little cactus. So I am really impressed that it lived there for like a month now. So I like to display this around the house, around the sunny side of my window. And also I made this shells. I saw some pictures online that has cactus in a shell, so like, hey, I want to try this one. And there it worked. It lived, and it's been a month and it is growing. They were so little when I put it in here, and then now it's bigger. One of this borrowed tail though is not doing good, so probably need more water. And this one also, somebody made one like this online with just rocks and perlite, and wow, it works, and it is surviving in there, and it even has roots inside there. So I figured out this would be a nice gift to a friend. So like I put some tags in there and maybe write a note for somebody and give it to them. And I am happy that is so cute. I also have these two white mugs, and I added the silver acorns on it with the little berries for the season, and it is surviving in here. It looked like it's happy. The pork and beans is a little bit leggy, but it is surviving in there. And I love this little plant up here. So well, that's it for now guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.